Hey guys, just wanted to say happy Labor Day to everybody out there. Everybody out there, make sure that you are not working today. Today is Labor Day, but actually, Flash Custom Transfers, we will be working today. The team is actually not going to print. We actually let the people who print, we let our entire team off. Hey, listen, guys, you guys take off Labor Day, but me and Chelly will be taking orders. Okay, so we will be working, right? Because we're the face of the company. So we will be working. We will be taking orders for Labor Day. So if you guys are off today, take advantage of our sale, our 10% off sale. Labor Day 22. Labor Day 22 is our 10% off sale, guys. Just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know that Chelly and Carl are, even though everybody's dealing with everything and stuff like that, we felt it was our duty to still take orders from you guys. So we'll be answering emails, taking orders from you guys. I just wanted to make this video. I was actually going to make it yesterday, but we just had some issues yesterday pertaining to Chelly's health. She's actually doing better. Everything got checked out just fine. So we will be working today. Today's Labor Day. Remember, use the code LABORDAY22 to get your 10% off all your orders. Anything that you order from the website will be 10% off. I don't know if the t-shirt, yeah, I think even the t-shirts and the merch and stuff like that will be 10% off, guys. So although we won't be printing today, although we will not be printing today, again, I'm just being very transparent. We will not be printing today. We gave our team the time off for the Labor Day, but Chelly and I will be accepting orders. So if you want to get your order in, get it in now. Get your order in now before it's too late, because if you order tomorrow, you're gonna be in the queue for everybody who ordered Friday after closing. So after 6, everybody who ordered Saturday, everybody who ordered Sunday, and everybody who ordered today. So it's gonna be like 4 days of back orders. So, you know, it's going to be a lot that we got to do for this week to kind of catch up. So, and then don't forget, nothing is moving today either. So there hasn't been any UPS. Our UPS guy told us that nothing moved after, I think, like 4 or 5 o'clock on Friday. So that's what he told us. I don't know. So just be careful that whatever you shipped, or whatever we shipped, or whatever is being shipped around, isn't really moving. It's not, you know, it may say like it's here or there, but it's not really moving, and it's definitely not going to move today, Monday. So no UPS shipments are even going to move until Tuesday. So guys, we just want to say that we apologize for any delays and anything that's going on in the system, but please do your order now. Submit your order now, get it worked out, get it processed, get everything done now. We got a ton of orders in the queue. A ton of hundreds of orders in the queue, guys. So please, I had to make this video. I'm about to end it. I had to make this video. Order your transfers now so they can be in the queue, so that they can be processed. We have a lot we have to get done this 4 or 5 day weekend, plus Chelly finishing her quarantine and stuff like that. It's just been a lot for us. So just please bear with us. But we felt the need, because we were very kind of backlogged last week, to say, hey, listen, we're going to take orders on Monday. Let the team off so that they don't have to be at the warehouse, but Chelly and I are going to take orders. So thank you guys for all your blessings. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you, Mr. Woods out there. He purchased 3 shirts already. So guys, go check out the merch and stuff like that. And just comment down below if you have any ideas on what else you want to see on the channel. Thank you guys. We appreciate everything. We are open. So go ahead and submit your order now. Use code. Now, one thing that I noticed with the website, Square doesn't allow you to use multiple codes. So if you want free shipping, then you're going to have to use code free ship if you spend over $99, but you won't be able to use the Labor Day 22 code at the same time. For some reason, I didn't set it up that way. I would love for you guys to use both codes, but for some reason in the Square system, it doesn't allow you, the customer, to use 2 promo codes on one transaction. So I apologize for that, guys. I wish that we could do it. If you want the discount, email us, and then we can send you an invoice with the discount. That's the workaround. So if you want the discount, for free shipping over $99, and you want the Labor Day discount, then contact us through email, ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, and then we can send you an invoice, and we will discount it manually, so this way you save some money. We appreciate that, guys. We appreciate you guys. So please go take advantage of those sales, man. $19.99, 22 by 24 heat transfers. You got sublimation gang sheets, DTF gang sheets, stickers. You have free images. Go download your free images, guys. Just go really take advantage of all the things that we offer for the company. All right, guys, be basic. Peace.